Singapore's construction industry is expected to hold steady this year, with the Building and Construction Authority projecting total demand of up to 32 billion Sing dollars. But National Development Minister Desmond warns that challenges loom with the risk of recession in major economies and supply chain pressures. Now, to cope with the volatility, the industry should continue its push towards digitalisation. Rebecca Mateo with this report.
Construction demand this year is propped up by the public sector, with 60% comprising of projects like new flats and water treatment plants. Private residential and commercial buildings make up the remaining 40%. While demand is expected to remain stable, National Development Minister Desmond calls for vigilance.
It's important that we take in what we've learned over the past few years during the pandemic to enhance our built environment sector's resilience. This includes reducing our reliance on foreign manpower for labour-intensive tasks and doing more to fulfill our net zero climate goals.
An industry representative says this points towards transforming the nature of work in the sector.
We also need to make our construction sector more sexy, more desirable.
To kickstart this, industry players have signed 4 agreements, the first time companies from across the value chain are coming together at this scale. Major players in the construction industry will work with builders, consultants and subcontractors to improve productivity and efficiency. They will be working together to digitize project management and employ more technology in construction projects. For instance, developer Guaco Land will work with construction and engineering firms to create a common data platform for its projects. This will include information such as building design and facilities management. One firm says such platforms can help prevent the current practice of working in silos.
With getting on board the project earlier, with the clear intentions of working together, and we can explore maybe optimization of our services in relation to the project, and also avoid changes mid-part of the project or end-part project, which causes a lot of disruption to the project flow.
Over the next 4 years, construction demand is expected to remain steady at up to $32 billion as well. This will be driven by several public sector projects, including MRT works and the redevelopment of Woodlands Checkpoint.
Home buyers should continue to exercise financial prudence even as the housing market continues to ease. That's the advice of Minister pointing out uncertainties lie ahead that could weigh on Singapore's economy this year. These include geopolitical tensions and an economic downturn in the United States and Europe. Housing markets in countries such as Australia, the UK and Hong Kong are already seeing slowdowns.
While we have tightened maximum loan quantum limits, housing loans remain the largest component of household debt in general. If global interest rates continue to rise in response to inflationary pressures, we can expect further increases in domestic mortgage rates. This will make it more difficult for both existing and new borrowers to service their loans.